Guys, alam nyo ba na pwedeng-pwede na magbayad online ng inyong OWA payment gamit lamang ang GCash? Pag-usapan natin yan dito sa video ito. Yun guys, pag-usapan natin sa video ito ang OWA membership payment. So ito yung website. Dito muna ang una nyong gagawin kung gusto nyo magbayad online gamit ang GCash. So ang website, membership.owa.gov.ph. Lalagay, ayan, sa screen. Okay? So personal information, kailangan guys, una-una last name ha. Pag mabaliktad, kasalanan nyo yan. Hindi nyo binasa. Then first name, middle name, kung mga junior, senior kung meron. Then birth date, gender, male or female, civil status, passport number, OFW foreign address. So kung halimbawa sa Riga ka, sa akin naman, di ko nilalagay yung complete address ko. Halimbawa, sa may Al-Buhaila building, Arriga, Dera, Dubai. Ganyan lang nilalagay ko. Country abroad, United Arab Emirates, contact number sa abroad. So, Philippine address and contact number, syempre select ang province, dyan din municipality, barangay, zip code, kahit hindi mo lagyan yan. Okay, house number or lot number, block number, street, pwede mo lagyan. Halimbawa, sa akin is Spring Street, ganyan, Sultan Kudarat, ganun. Mobile number, PH sa Pilipinas, then email address, religion, Islam, napiliin lang po ninyo yan, okay. And then highest educational attainment, dyan high school, ano man yan ng college course, ilagay mo na lang dito. So employment details, again, may mga red dyan, mandatory, may asterisk. Principal employer name, kung anong employer address, kung hindi man alam exact address, halimbawa kung Alcoces, Dubai, ganun lang. Contact number ng employer, vessel for sea base. Huwag nyo kung land base kayo, para lang yan sa mga seaman. Position, occupation, nakalagay monthly salary, name of recruitment agency, ayan, kung meron kang recruitment agency, kung wala, not stated, okay? Contract duration, nandyan yung 1 month, 2 months, wala naman. Siyempre, 24 months usually ang pag 2 years ganyan, kasi re-renew pa, di ba? So, OFW type dapat, land base, okay? Job site country, so kung UAE ka, United Arab Emirates, okay? Salary country, so siyempre kung UAE ka, dirhams, AED dirhams. Kung OWA Pay Center yan, kung OWA Dubai, OWA Abu Dhabi, OWA Japan, ganyan. Okay? Attachment, nakalagay dito, latest proof of employment. So, dapat yung verified contract nyo dyan, i-upload nyo. Or kung renewal man, meron kayong OEC dati, ayan, i-upload nyo dyan yung clear na clear. And passport bio page, ganyan. Tapos click nyo, I hereby declare that information. Dapat make sure, bago kayo mag-submit, double check, correct. Hindi yung time will come, sasabihin nyo, ay, hindi, nakalimutan ko, ay, mali ako. Kasalanan nyo yan. Then, I'm not a robot. Then, submit application. And then, makaka-receive kayo ng email para paano magbayad sa GCash. Ngayon, halimbawa, naka-receive ka na ng email, guys. Naka-receive ka na ng email. So, your OWA membership renewal application has been reviewed. Please proceed with payment using the details below. Payment details. Okay? So, pinaka-importante, guys, yung PRN or Payment Reference Number. Iyan, huwag nyo kakalimutan yan. Tago nyo din. Membership contribution is $25 US dollars. So, sundin nyo kung magkano ang amount nilagay dito kasi may service fee ata or charge something. Pay exact amount of, kung nung nakalagay dito, yun yung babayaran nyo sa GCash, okay? Validity of payment reference, 36 hours. So, kung makareceive kayo nito within 24 hours, 36 hours, dapat bayaran nyo po yun. Payment instruction. So, buksan nyo yung GCash nyo, then select pay bills, then tap government, then choose OWA, and then enter the following details. Yung payment reference number mo, yung nakalagay doon, and then pay exact amount kung ano nakalagay doon. Confirm payment, at ang pinaka-importante, guys, okay? Take a screenshot of your payment receipt, okay? Yan lang po yan. Tapos submission of proof of payment. After completing payment, please reply to this email and submit the following. Okay? Ano yung submit the following na yan? Ayan po. May mababasa ka na putol yung ko. Yan. Anong reply pa dyan? Sundin lang po ninyo. Ganyan lang po yung pagbayad gamit ang GCash. So, bubuksan natin yung GCash app. Guys, ito yung GCash ko Yung GCash ko. So, punta tayo sa bills. And then, punta tayo sa government. And then, hanapin lang nyo yung OWA. Overseas ang itatype nyo. Ganyan. Overseas. Ano na? Ayan, Overseas Workers Welfare Administration. Ayan na. Kung magkano yung amount na nilagay kanina, sinabi ko, then payment reference number, then pangalan nyo, make sure po, double check sulat, employer, MW office kung kayo MWO Dubai, MW or OWA Austria, OWA Dubai, OWA Abu Dhabi, yan po. Okay? Yun po yun. Then contact number nyo, email, okay? Enter email, and then enter email again. Pwedeng dalawa. Or optional lang naman itong makalawa. So, ito kailangan. Then, click next.